Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some energy boost, aka Pals Okra Punch. So let's get right into the video. Here we have a cup of okra, and we're going to go in with a cup of oats. You can replace the oats with granola if you don't have any oats. Here we have our 1 cup of mixed nuts. Here we have some sunflower seed and some flax seed. We're gonna go in with some almond nuts as well. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon or a tablespoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. And then we're gonna go in with a cup of malt. You can use Guinness or Jag and Stout if you have. Just let's blend this till it's smooth. So this them called strong back, lift me up, all different kind of name. You know it, just do it, right? So now that we blend this to a smooth consistency, we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our sweet condensed milk. So guys, you sweeten this to the way you like it, if you like it sweet or not too sweet. So now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna cover this, and then we're gonna blend again, so we can combine the condensed milk with everything. So here we go guys, we are finished. So we are finished with our energy boost, strong back, lift me up, front end lifter. This is Pal's Island Kitchen version of her okra punch. Live good, love God, and we'll see you next time in a Pal's Island Kitchen. Big up on yourself.